My name is Patrick Ndlovu. I'm the Director of Home-Based Laundry Services. We are based here in Tembisa, and I would like to welcome you. Let me show you my space. When the client comes in, this is where we register everything, the loads, the amount that has been charged. We actually use the scale to determine the price. And these are the pressers that we use to provide quality ironing. At the moment, as you can see, the ladies are busy pressing the linen. This has been washed and it's actually a finished product now. This is where we pack all the finished products that have been washed. We also do dry cleaning, which we outsource. We don't have the capacity at the moment to do it on our own. And as you can see, everything has been nicely packed and ready to be collected. We have a dryer here, which we use whenever the climate conditions are not good. During rainy periods, we use a dryer. But on a normal day, we take the laundry outside to dry naturally. This is our production area where everything is washed. We have Speed Queen machines. These are semi-industrial machines that we use. And these machines, they've got the ability to produce good quality outcome. And we also have this is the industrial dryer that we have, and that one. We mainly use this during rainy periods. This is where we hang linen and clothes. We'll normally bring the laundry out here for quick drying. And when the weather is good, we don't actually use dryers. We use this natural drying outside here. Currently, the ladies here, they are picking up all the dry linen and they will be taking it inside there to be ironed. Home-Based Laundry was established in 2010. That's when we started, and we registered formally in 2016. What we do, we specialize with laundry services, and we have grown into other services such as a cleaning service that we do, and we also manufacturers now. We provide our own range of detergents. And Home-Based Laundry, it's actually based here in Tembisa, but we are not confined here with our services. We are able to go beyond 20-kilometer radius around Tembisa. When I was growing up, I actually saw how my mom struggled with the house chores, where she had to do laundry and cleaning for all the family members. So I observed very close and saw that the same problem exists next door and also with other people in the neighborhood. So I thought that by bringing in the laundry service in the neighborhood, I will actually get customers. When we started, the first challenge that we came across was to put up the building. And since there was no capital for it, I actually invested some of my salary because I was employed at that time. So I had to invest money on it and build it from foundation to actually what it is today.
How do we ensure we have high standards of service and we keep our customers? At Home-Based Laundry is always doing our best, always provide our service on time. I'm the production manager, so it's a very interesting and nice journey. And manufacturing our own detergents at Home-Based Laundry is a very nice thing because now you don't have to go out to get these chemicals to provide the service, the washing of clothes for customers, the cleaning of offices, houses, as a cleaning company at the same time. I see the side of manufacturing and the products of Home-Based Laundry going far, because the things that we manufacture, every household they use it. So your dishwasher, your thick bleach, your washing powder.
In here, it's part of Home-Based Laundry. We use this space to brand and design our own products, basically. What we do, we design and brand products that we use. There are also other businesses that come in here to source out services such as large format printing, banners, and embroidery. African Bank has taught me a lot. I have learned from them to believe in my own ideas. I have learned through their slogan, the audacity to believe, that if you have a plan, stick on it and make sure that you don't give up until you achieve what you're actually pursuing. So with African Bank, if I look at all the programs that they introduced to us, they actually benefited me in a way that I can see evidence of the results in my own business today. The advice that I will give to young entrepreneurs is that one needs to be obsessed with solving problems, because this is a journey where problems are non-ending. So if you are obsessed with solving problems, that's where actually you will succeed at pursuing your goals.